Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from MTH Electric Trains and Ready-Made Trains. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Arriving now at authorized MTH dealers is the DCS Wi-Fi Interface Unit, or WTIU. Designed to revolutionize the way model train enthusiasts interact with their layouts, the DCS WTIU allows users to seamlessly operate their trains using the MTH DCS mobile app, offering convenience and greater control over their model railroad. Whether through the default dedicated MTH Wi-Fi network or integration into an existing home network, the WTIU is an all-in-one system that is easy to set up and begin using. New versions of the iOS and Android apps were released publicly on November 1st, 2024. Users should make sure their devices are upgraded with the new apps when they're released, as you must have the new apps to use the WTIU. The WTIU, which replaces the original Track Interface Unit and Wi-Fi Interface Unit, offers two distinct modes of operation, catering to different user preferences. In MTH Wi-Fi network mode, users can operate their trains via a dedicated Wi-Fi connection, ensuring a streamlined experience without internet access. Alternatively, the home Wi-Fi network mode allows users to connect the WTIU to their home network, enabling internet access while running their trains. Both modes allow users to easily set up and control their model trains through the MTH DCS app, available on both iOS and Android platforms. Most users will find connection to your home Wi-Fi network the best option, since your devices will automatically connect when the DCS system is powered up. The WTIU brings a host of additional features, including variable channel control for both AC or DC powered layouts. Previous TIU models only allowed users to output variable AC track voltage or conventional control over older locomotives not equipped with command control modules. The new WTIU expands that functionality to now include variable DC power output. Using the app, users will now be able to control conventional older locomotives, including HO and G gauge models that operate on DC power, as well as any Lionel or other O-Gauge manufacturers' models that operate on AC transformers. In early 2025, additional features will be released that allow users to download and wirelessly install WTIU firmware updates, as well as locomotive code and sound files via the app. These functions will replace the need for the PC-controlled DCS loader program and will work on iOS or Android devices, ensuring that virtually all DCS functionality will now reside in the app. The WTIU will continue to work with the DCS AIU accessory interface unit via the AIU cable and will function the same way it did on the original TIU track interface unit. Simply connect the AIU to the WTIU and you're on your way to full layout control of switches, lights, accessories, and more. Users wishing to control their TMCC and legacy locomotives in command mode can continue to do so with the WTIU. Simply connect the legacy command base, including the new Cab 3 base, using the required cables, and you'll be running any command-equipped locomotive on the same track at the same time as your Protosound 2.0 or later locomotives. Users wanting to see the DCS WTIU in action may want to check out one of the many DCS demo events being held at select MTH authorized retailers through November and December. For more information on those events, visit the MTH website event page linked in the video description. The suggested retail price of the new DCS unit is $399.99. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 Rail King O-Gauge 2882 Imperial USRA steam locomotive in Pennsylvania, Reading, Denver and Rio Grande Western, and Great Northern schemes next spring. All will be limited in production and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in May 2025. The suggested retail price is $849.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale C30-7 locomotive in New Hope and Ivyland colors for exclusive distribution by EZ Catch. The locomotives will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in February 2025. The early order price is $419.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-scale lighted billboard featuring a Utica Club beer advertisement for exclusive distribution by JR Junction Train and Hobby. The billboards are expected to arrive in extremely limited quantities beginning in January 2025. The early order price is $39.95. Now arriving at authorized RMT dealers are the firm's newly designed scale 40-foot PS-1 Boxcars. Among the new arrivals are Reading and Northern, a Pennsylvania Railroad 100th anniversary car, a Soo Line 50th anniversary car produced exclusively for Mr. Muffin's trains, a custom Lackawanna car produced for Henning's trains, and 7 custom-run cars for Patrick's trains in Western Maryland Fireball, U.S. Navy Yorktown, U.S. Navy Earl, U.S. Navy Crane WSC, and 3 different Wheeling and Lake Erie cars. The cars carry a suggested retail price of $34.95 and are recommended for use on O36 and larger curves. Follow the link in the video description to view the complete RMT lineup. Also arriving at RMT dealers are the new 36-foot Woodside Reefers. Recently released road names include Ballantine Beer, Stegmeyer Beer, Red Rose Ice Cream, IGA Grocery Stores, Elephant Beer, Penzi Pilsner Beer, Fidelio Beer, and more. The cars carry a suggested retail price of $34.95 and are recommended for use on O36 and larger curves. Follow the link in the video description to view the complete RMT lineup. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And watch our long-form Toy Train Tips and Tricks videos released every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And of course, join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern for another edition of What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.